Hey! It's a little bit rainy today. The plan is pretty simple. We're going to repeat the dive we did with Ivan a couple of days ago before he left Ubud. So that means we're gonna start in Pyramids and finish our dive in Gemelot. So as minimum the dive time gonna be around 70 plus minutes. The last time it was 81 minutes, because I'm a little bit worried that there's not enough air for some of us. So then I will gonna take another tank with me. We decided to walk up to the pyramids because it's really close from our dive center. How many meters it is? Maybe 200. Quite a walk, but we just decided to do it. That was your longest dive ever.
Yeah.
Right? So how many minutes? 78, right?
Oh, it's 78.
Yeah. My computer showed 78, probably yours as well.
Yeah, it's good.
Just to make you understand why it took so long, because we did actually within one dive we did 3 dive sites. It was Pyramids, Amed Wall and Gemelog Beach. So we ended diving at Gemelog Beach.
Everyone in your country is tall, taller than you.
I'm not the tallest one. I'm just average. Really average.
Oh my god.
You remember what I told you about the creating motor skills? I just picked up my delivery for the veggies, and if you remember all this time, all these 140 episodes, in the end of my videos I've been saying this sentence: see you tomorrow again. So what I just did, I told to the delivery girl, Otto, see you tomorrow again. That's funny. Like, and it happened just automatically. But anyways, that's it for today. We did a super cool dive. Everybody was so happy to do it. So thank you very much for watching. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and of course subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, tomorrow morning, oh, the street is terrible. Tomorrow morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning, me and Elliot, we will go to the hike to the mountains. At the moment, mountains just looks amazing. So yeah, we will do some like little bit longer hike, like 12-kilometer hike, and so that's the plan for tomorrow. Keep watching us. See you.